it's Miss Natasha, and today we're going to talk about the Brain Smart Start. What is the Brain Smart Start? Well, the Brain Smart Start is a way that you can start your day off with your classroom in a fun, positive way. So in the Brain Smart Start, there's 4 components. You have Unite, Connect, Disengage Stress, and Commitment. So let's start with Unite. Unite is when you come together as a group on the carpet at circle time and you do a little music and movement. So you put on a CD and you dance with the class and you get those wiggles out before you start your day. Then we have Connect. With Connect, you do an I love you ritual. What is an I love you ritual? We're going to get into that in a little bit. Then you want to disengage stress. So after the I love you ritual, you disengage stress. Breathe, right? We all need to take a deep breath sometimes. We don't know what kind of morning the kids in our class have had. Maybe they woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Maybe they were kind of rushed out the door a little bit. Maybe they're really missing mom and dad this morning. We don't know. Anything is possible. So we want to make sure that we take our deep breaths to disengage that stress. And we can do that by doing the star breath, the drain, the balloon, or the pretzel. Or you can do all 4 of them. Let's try one. Let's try the balloon. So I like to do the balloon with my kids by putting my hands on my head, and I take a deep breath through my nose, always through your nose and out your mouth. So take a deep breath through your nose, blow up that balloon. The kids love that. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can do it like this. You can blow up the balloon this way. Remember, the important part is to take the deep breath through the nose and let it out through the mouth. And just like that, you're disengaging stress. Then we have commitment, to keep safe. So that's when you tell the kids in the class that it's your job to keep them safe, and it's their job to help you keep them that way. So my job is to keep you safe, and your job is to help me keep you that way. So now that we went through all the components of the Brain Smart Start, why do the Brain Smart Start? Well, we want to do it because it builds connections. It fosters a sense of safety. It releases endorphins, which help make us happy, right? Get us in that good mood. Disengages stress. And it prepares the brain for optimal learning, which is what we want, right? We want our kids to be at their best so that they're most able to learn. So earlier I talked about I love you rituals. An I love you ritual is a little chant that you sing with a child to connect with them. And the most important components of an I love you ritual is eye contact, touch, presence, and you want to do it in a playful situation. So, eye contact. Why is that important? Well, you want the children to know that you are present in the moment. So let's go back over here to when we're moving and dancing in the morning. If you put the CD on and you're swamped, you're really busy, so you're kind of sitting on the chair while the kids are dancing on the carpet and you're doing your paperwork that you have to get done, or an important message comes through, so you're trying to reply to it, and you're trying to participate at the same time, you're not really present. You're just going through the motions. And the children, they know it. They always know when we're not really there. So it's really important to be present in the moment to create and maintain that connection with the children. So I'm going to give you guys an example of an I love you ritual. It's the famous Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but you probably haven't heard it this way before. It goes, twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. With bright eyes and nice round cheeks, talented person from head to feet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. Now you can take that and you can tweak the words a little bit to however you feel comfortable singing it. Now when I read it to you guys just now, how did that make you feel? I was looking at my paper and I was saying all the words, but we weren't really connecting. So the way you want to do it in class is you want to make sure that you're having that eye contact, the touch, you want to be present in the moment, and you want to make sure that it's fun. You don't want to be like, twinkle, twinkle. You want to be playful and fun. So I don't have a child here with me to demonstrate for you guys, but I'm going to pretend that you guys are the children, and I'm going to do it with you. So you want to look them in the eye. I'm going to go, twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. Big bright eyes. You can touch the side of their face here. And nice round cheeks. Talented from your head to your feet. You can touch their head gently and their feet. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, what a wonderful child you are. We did it. So that's how you would do it with a child. Now you can pat their head and touch the side of their face gently if they're comfortable with that, and they can do the same to you. And you always have that child that's not comfortable with touch, and that's okay too. That's okay too. You can just pat your own head. The main thing is you want to make sure that you're maintaining that eye contact, that they know that you are present in that moment with them. And what you are doing in that moment is what is important to you. So the nice thing about I love you rituals is once you do it with a few children and they start to know what the chant is and they know the words, they can start doing it with each other. You can sit them at circle time and pair them up. You can have them do twinkle twinkle with each other. And that helps strengthen their friendships, and it helps them know that, hey, we really are all a school family. We're all in it together. We are safe. We're in a safe place. That's it. So I hope that you guys learned a little bit about the Brain Smart Start. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.